Hey, 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 here we are, 704 Sunset Road, Henderson, Nevada. And look what we come across. Tomic Motors. We can do a walkthrough through the window. Look at what we got here. Check it out. The wide whites, chrome wheels, like a 32 truck. A Cobra, another Cobra, Corvette. Look at all the memorabilia. We got a golf racing, looks like a dune buggy with a hard top. All the cool stuff up on the walls, airplanes. Let's go ahead and check it out. DanoLive style. The old Dano van. Looks like we got some other stuff over there. We'll have to take a walk and look-see. Tomic Motors race team. Yep. Got a 427 Cobra. See, 10 to 4 on Saturday, 9 to 5 Monday through Friday. Sunday to close. You get your car detailed here. Wow, look at that. Brings back my youth at MGB. Early 60s. No radio. Look at that Cadillac. About a 49. Like got a shortened windshield on it. Let's see. Look at that. A lot of cool toys. Nicely done up. MGB's got wires. Cadillac and a door 4 Galaxy behind it. Convertible. Corvettes. Mercedes. C10 pick 'em up trucks. Let's see what do you got. Hot rods, American racing wheels. Cadillac Coupe de Villes. There's that blue Corvette back there. This would be a 427. Appears to be what, a 29, would you gather? That 67 427 Marina blue black gut side pipes is out of Texas. And a T-Bird, white red guts, wide white hubcaps. Grand Prix, got 71 Grand Prix. Another Cadillac in the back. And a Mustang, a Pony drop top, GT 289 rally wheels, black interior. Look what's behind it, huh? 63 Biscuit, maybe a Bel Air. Steel wheels, dog disc caps. I don't know, it might be a 409. Yeah, 427 Stingray right there, huh? Header pipes coming out the side. Pretty cool, huh? T-Bird, we got a Porsche 914, a Barracuda in the back, like a fat fender. Yeah, appears to be a Ford. Louvered hoods. The column shifter on it at 63. Trans Am up on a trailer. I like the decorations. Tomic 7 Ford utility truck. We got a Triumph Spitfire back there being put together, down up in blue. And No coronavirus gonna keep me down. I'll still do some exploring. 44 Nevada. So I got a 62 1 or 2 Corvette over there. Let's see what else lit up. That's a nice Ford F-250, huh? Dually wheels. Barrel up on a rack. Workbench. Some vices. Nice big old canvas poster up there with a babe in a passenger seat of an MGA with a luggage rack on it. Yeah. A cool poster, being that I had one of them MGAs. Fit good in my room. We got racks with the parts. They do all this. Classic car, motorcycles, Tomic Motors consignment, restorations. Look what I got here. I got 54 Chevy Bel Air hardtop up on the rack. A Corvette underneath it. Police car. SCRT, SVC. And what else we got? Looks like there's a bunch of automotive shops here. Back here. Got a Corvette on a rack, Mini Cooper. There looks like a British flag on the roof, and an MGB GT. Beauty rims, British Racing Green. Is that right back there? Is that a Volkswagen? Looks like a Volkswagen being worked on. There's something up on the rack, can't quite tell what it is. Wow, what a big facility. Motorcycles. And a Honda 350. Cool shop. And I got a Bentley Continental. A Cadillac, I forget what they call those. Like an Eldorado. I always like those Eldorados. And sitting above it is a 57 Chevy Bel Air Nomad, along with an MGTC on the wall. '77 Cadillac Operetta Gatsby Collection 310 out of LA. Jaguar back there. Wow. Cool memorabilia. I think that's about it. There you have it. That's a. But wait, there's more. 55 Chevy up on the rack. This is a fabrication department. They got an AMX or a Javelin up front there. And here, Dodge Challenger 7071. Bead blaster. That's 55 Chevy's topless convertible. And I think that's it for a Tomic. DanoLive, DanoVision. But wait, there's more still. We're not done yet. This is the East Showroom. Look at this Cadillac. I think it's a 49 Coupe de Ville. Bentleys. Look at that Dodge, Polar underneath there. Cool green hardtop, white hardtop. Satin finish. F-150 up on the racks. The ones on the covers, can't make them out. '7 Chevy Olay. Volkswagen thing. We got Jensen Healy up above. Fender skirts. Beautiful. And a Cadillac Seville over there. It's like a Merc or a Hudson under that cover. Corvette. Look at this. Studebaker. And we got I think that's there's a Russian car back there, or a Nissan, or NSU, I'm not quite sure. And there's that girl again. And that MGA up on the wall. Cool. 704 West Sunset Road, Henderson. TomicMotors.net. And a golf cart. How cool. Maybe I remember I come back here during the day. See if I can't go do a walk through inside. Until then, DanoLive, Dano Vision. The adventures of Dano continue here in the Southwest, Henderson, Nevada.